Hello there. This morning I was supposed to go to my church, not my church, because I attend to a lot of churches, but never Sunday morning, so I was going to do this. We're going to do Sign Language to Hold My Heart by 5th Avenue, but I did not make it in time, because I'm not going to go to a church, because I just don't believe in it. I believe in God, no, but I don't believe in going to church so early when I know it's already real, but so I went, but I did not make it, so I will do that now. For you, the sign language right over here, where I once was before I was Shaylin and stuff like that. So, again, this is Hold My Heart by the 5th Avenue. For some reason it says North, so I'm gonna say 5th Avenue North, which I think it's 5th Avenue. 10th Avenue. 10th Avenue. 10th Avenue, not 5th. 10th. I like my earrings. Alright, and those other videos of the vacation stuff and all that will be on there later too. And I'm out.
Must I pray to you? How long must I wait for you? How long till I see your face, see you shining through? I'm